Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. For years I felt overwhelmed, endless to-do lists, always busy, but never making real progress. The breakthrough came when I stopped chasing the perfect app and built a system tailored to my goals and energy. Today, I'll share how I went from chaos to clarity with a productivity system that actually works. It's not about rigid rules or fancy tools, it's about a framework that fits your life. I've even created a free Notion template to help you get started, link in the description. Let's dive into the 7 steps to building a productivity system that lasts. The very first step on our journey to enhance productivity is defining your purpose, your why. This is the bedrock upon which all your efforts will be built. It's about understanding the deep-seated reasons behind your desire to achieve more. Ask yourself, why do you want to be more productive? What's driving you? Is it to achieve financial freedom, spend more quality time with loved ones, or make a significant impact in your field? Dig deep and uncover the core motivations that fuel your ambition. Once you have a clear understanding of your purpose, the next step is to break it down into manageable pieces. Think of it as creating a roadmap to your ultimate destination, starting with long-term aspirations. Then, consider the medium-term milestones that will serve as stepping stones along the way. These are the intermediate objectives that will keep you on track and motivated. Finally, define the short-term goals that you can tackle on a daily or weekly basis. These are the actionable tasks that will move you closer to your medium and long-term objectives. For example, long-term, become a financially independent creator, allowing you the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Medium-term, grow your YouTube channel to 10,000 subscribers in a year, building a community around your content and establishing yourself as an authority in your niche. Short-term, publish 1 quality video per week, consistently delivering valuable content to your audience and building momentum for your channel's growth. To ensure your goals are effective, make your goals SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of a vague goal like get fit, try go to the gym 3 times a week for 12 weeks, providing a clear and actionable plan. This clarity turns vague wishes into actionable plans, transforming your dreams into tangible steps you can take each day. So, take the time to write down your why, your vision for the future, and break it all down into SMART goals that you can start working towards today. This is the foundation of your productivity system, the cornerstone upon which you will build your success. Without it, everything else falls apart. A clear purpose and well-defined goals are essential for staying focused, motivated, and on track to achieve your dreams. With your goals set, it's time to prioritize. Not all tasks are equal. Focus on the few that drive the most progress. Use the Pareto principle. 80% of results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify your high-impact tasks and make them your focus. The Eisenhower Matrix helps categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Spend most of your time on important, not urgent work. Planning, deep work, skill building. Delegate or minimize urgent but unimportant tasks. Eliminate distractions and busy work. True productivity is about doing the right things, not more things. Ruthless prioritization is your secret weapon. Now, to truly master your productivity, you need a robust system to manage your tasks effectively. It's not just about remembering what to do, but about organizing, prioritizing, and tracking your progress. The specific tool you choose matters less than the process you establish. Whether it's a digital app or a physical notebook, find what resonates with you and supports your workflow. The key is consistency and adherence to a system that you find intuitive. Let's explore 3 proven methods: time blocking, refined to-do lists, and Kanban boards. Time blocking schedule tasks in your calendar as dedicated appointments. This method allows for deep focus by allocating specific time slots for specific activities, minimizing distractions and maximizing concentration. Refined to-do lists. Limit your daily list to just 3 most important tasks, MITs, that are directly linked to your overarching goals. This ensures that you are always working on what truly matters. Kanban boards. Visualize your workflow with clearly defined columns like to do, doing, and done. This provides a visual representation of your project's progress and helps identify bottlenecks. Move tasks across the board as you progress, providing a clear sense of accomplishment and momentum. This visual feedback can be incredibly motivating. You can mix and match, Use a Kanban board for managing big, complex projects, and time block specific intervals for deep, focused work on individual tasks. Experiment with different approaches for a week or two, and see what feels most natural and sustainable for you. Ultimately, the best system is the one you'll actually use consistently, not the one that looks the most impressive on paper. Don't get stuck in an endless search for the perfect app or system. Analysis paralysis can be a major productivity killer. Instead, focus on establishing a clear process that effectively translates your priorities into tangible actions and completed tasks. Keep your system simple, sustainable, and stick with it long enough to see real results. Consistency is key to building effective habits. A great plan is useless without the energy to execute it. Productivity is about managing energy, not just time. Work in focused sprints. Try 90-minute blocks or the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. Take real breaks to recharge your brain. Batch similar tasks together to avoid context switching, which drains focus. Group emails, creative work, and admin into dedicated blocks. This assembly line approach boosts efficiency and reduces mental fatigue. Review your day. Where are you switching tasks too often? Start batching and watch your output soar. Protect your focus by working with your natural rhythms. Next, defend your focus by actively eliminating distractions. In today's hyper-connected world, our attention is constantly being pulled in multiple directions. It's crucial to create an environment that supports deep work and minimizes interruptions. Start by turning off all non-essential notifications on your devices. These constant pings and buzzes disrupt your train of thought and pull you away from the task at hand. Consider allowing calls or messages only from key people, such as close family or important business contacts. This ensures you don't miss anything critical while still maintaining focus. Check email and social media on a predetermined schedule, not whenever the urge strikes. Batching these activities helps you regain control over your time and attention. Tidy your workspace daily. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind, making it harder to concentrate. A clean and organized workspace reduces visual clutter and helps create a fresh start each day, setting the stage for focused work. Use noise-canceling headphones if needed to block out distracting sounds and create a more immersive work environment. Try website blockers like Freedom or Cold Turkey during deep work sessions to prevent yourself from mindlessly browsing distracting websites. Automate or delegate repetitive tasks whenever possible. Freeing up your time from mundane activities allows you to focus on higher-value work. Leverage automation tools like Zapier or email templates to streamline your workflow and reduce the time spent on repetitive actions. Every distraction you eliminate and every tedious task you remove frees up valuable energy and mental bandwidth for what truly matters. Ask yourself frequently, does this task truly need to be done by me, or can it be delegated or eliminated altogether? Ultimately, make your environment work for you, not against you. Design a workspace and a routine that supports your focus and productivity. Remember, even small changes in your environment and habits can make a huge difference in your ability to focus and achieve your goals. Your system needs regular maintenance. Enter the weekly review. Set aside time each week to reflect and reset. Process all your inboxes and clear your head. Review your calendar and completed tasks. What worked, what didn't. Look for patterns and adjust your system as needed. Try new approaches if something isn't working. Set your top priorities for the coming week and block time for them. This habit keeps your system flexible and effective. The weekly review turns you from reactive to proactive. It's the glue that holds your productivity system together. Even the best system fails if you burn out. Build habits that sustain motivation. Try habit stacking, link a new habit to an existing one. Celebrate your wins, big or small, to reinforce progress. Prioritize sleep, nutrition, and exercise. They're essential, not optional. Schedule downtime and rest as seriously as work. Practice mindfulness. Meditate. Take mindful walks or pause for deep breaths. These habits recharge your mind and body. Burnout happens when you ignore your limits. Protect your well-being to keep your system running. Sustainable productivity is about balance, not endless hustle. That's it. The 7 steps to a productivity system that works. Start small. Pick 1 or 2 steps and build from there. Your system should be simple, flexible, and personal. Consistency beats perfection. Use what works for you every day. Download my free Notion template to jumpstart your journey. Link below. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more on productivity and intentional living.